Hello, the new Oppo Find N3 Flip. It comes with an octa-core Dimensity 9200 processor with 4 nanotechnology, which is very good. It also comes with RAM's 12GB RAM with 256 or 512GB storage space. It features a triple rear camera of 50 plus 32 plus 48 megapixel front 32 megapixel. Screen, 6.8 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2520. It comes with the operating system, Android 13. Regarding the battery, it is 4300 mAh is not great. Okay. Especially the defects. Does not support wireless charging. It is not light water resistant, and it would have been better if it had an IPX8 water resistance like the Samsung Z Flip 5. We wish the screen edges were reduced. Oppo Find N3 Flip features. External speakers provide a distinctive audio experience. The battery lasts for an acceptable period of time without the slightest problem, with support for 67-watt fast charging, and the charger and case come in the phone box. One of the best cameras in a flip phone. The AMOLED screen is large and provides a good experience with high brightness. While supporting the 120Hz refresh rate, it is characterized by not noticing the location of the hinge on the screen. See you in the next video.